Timeless Africa Safaris went to experience the I Am Water program to see how this innovative non-profit organization is transforming children's lives and inspiring the next generation to look after and protect our precious oceans. We donated funds to this special cause on behalf of our Africa ambassadors, our global network of guests and friends who share their love of Africa and encourage fellow travelers to visit this wonderful continent. We wanted to do something meaningful to honor them, something that would make a real difference.
Today on our Ocean Garden workshop, we got a group of kids and we took them on an ocean exploration. The biggest changes that I see in the kids that take part, they then fall in love with what they see, and because you fall in love with something, you naturally want to protect it.
Most of our kids that come to these workshops, they've never been into the kelp forest, they've never even thought about what was below them when they were swimming.
So today I experienced swimming under the water, and one of the coaches pulled out this big starfish. Looked like it's weird, it looked like an alien.
One day when we wanted our children to come and see all the animals that we saw on this trip. So for my part, I actually want to start setting up more cleanups on the beach.
Well, something that I would want them to take away from this is that they are capable of making a change and that the future is very bright.
Thanks to our partnership with I Am Water, our ambassadors will now be part of this incredible initiative tackling the conservation and protection of Cape Town's oceans and beaches. It is a true honor to have a global network of ambassadors who support this continent, and we are excited to be a part of this wonderful initiative in their name. Together, we're not just exploring Africa, we're preserving it for future generations.